If you're considering Tilda Publishing for building your landing pages, here are 12 things you need to know before making the decision. We'll dive into what sets Tilda apart, but also how it compares to other landing page builders like Wix, Squarespace, and Leadpages. By the end of this video, you'll know if Tilda is the right fit for your needs. First, let's talk about Tilda's core feature, its easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface. It's incredibly intuitive and perfect for those who aren't tech-savvy. But compared to something like Wix, which offers a more extensive range of design flexibility, Tilda might feel a little more restrictive. Still, it's a great choice for beginners who want clean, simple pages. Next thing, Tilda uses blocks to design your pages. It's a unique approach where you can customize pre-designed blocks for headers, texts, and images. But if you're looking for more control over every pixel of your design, you might find this limiting compared to competitors like Webflow, which offers full customization. The third thing to note is Tilda's focus on typography. They offer a broad selection of fonts, and you can upload your own. This is a big selling point if you're all about a specific brand aesthetic. But if SEO is your priority, you should know that Tilda doesn't let you customize the metadata as much as platforms like Leadpages, which offers advanced SEO features. The fourth thing is Tilda's mobile optimization. Tilda's templates are responsive, meaning they look great on both desktop and mobile without much tweaking. That said, if you're aiming for a highly mobile-first design, Tilda might not give you the same freedom as something like Squarespace, which lets you tweak designs for mobile screens independently. The fifth thing is Tilda's pricing model. It's affordable with a free version available, but the paid plans do lock certain features like advanced integrations and more storage. This is where competitors like Wix or Leadpages could have an edge with more flexible pricing depending on your needs. Next thing, Tilda offers some great integrations, especially with tools like Google Analytics, Zapier, and MailChimp. However, if you're working with a complex marketing stack, platforms like Webflow or Leadpages may give you better options for deeper integrations. The seventh thing is that Tilda provides great analytics to track visitor behavior, but it's not as in-depth as other tools like Unbounce or Leadpages. If you want more robust A/B testing and conversion rate optimization features, those might be better choices. The eighth thing is Tilda's hosting. It offers fast, reliable hosting that's included with its plans. But if you're looking for more control over your hosting and want to use your own server, something like WordPress might be a better fit since Tilda's hosting is fixed to their platform. The ninth thing to mention is the variety of templates. Tilda has some beautiful templates, but compared to a platform like Wix, they don't have as many options. If you need an extremely diverse range of landing page templates, you might prefer Wix or Squarespace. Next thing is how easy it is to set up a store. Tilda allows e-commerce, but it's not its strongest suit. If running an online store is your primary goal, Shopify or Squarespace might be the better choice since they specialize in that. The 11th thing is collaboration features. If you're working on a team, Tilda does allow multiple users, but it's a little limited compared to the collaboration options that platforms like Wix or WordPress offer. Those may be better if you need extensive teamwork functionalities. Finally, Tilda is a solid option, but it's not as feature-packed as some of its competitors. For simple landing pages, it's a great choice, but for more complex needs, it might not be the best fit. If you want a better option for more flexibility and features, check out our recommended solution below that you can try for free. Tilda is a great choice if you're after simplicity and clean designs, but remember that it's not the best for everyone. Do your research and choose the option that best fits your goals.